What's going on, YouTube? Hey, little update. I was gonna create a video doing a headlight swap for a 2012 Hyundai Elantra. However, I didn't think Miss Mary Lou would like too much of me broadcasting her car on the interwebs. Anyways, one thing I did run into, and I'm gonna link the two videos in the bottom. One of the guys talked about doing the Hyundai Elantra and not having the right light bulbs. Should have been my first clue. Anyways, went to the old auto parts store with the knowledge of experts that they have, and they say, hey, you need the 11 and the H7s for your headlights. Well, you get over here and take the headlights out and get ready to put them in, and guess what? They don't fit. So if you have a 2012 Hyundai Elantra Touring, make sure that you look at the headlights before you go buy them. Okay. If you go to the auto parts store, they're going to say that they're 11. However, the one that I worked on required the 11B, as in boy, 11 Bravo. I'll leave a description I'll leave a link to the light bulbs in the comment section. The headlights or the high beams, they called out for an H7, which is not an H7. It was actually an H1. And how you can tell the difference, which light bulbs you're going to need, is you look on the back of the light, and if there's a little cap that you have to unscrew to get to the light, you're going to probably need the 11 Bravo and the H1. If it's got just a plug to plug in the lights, then you'll need the 11 or the H7. Hope this helps. I know it was kind of frustrating for me because I spent more time going from here to the auto parts store and back than I did actually doing the lights. It took less than probably 10 minutes to change the lights. So I will leave a link, like I said, I'll leave a link in the description for the two guys that I used as references for doing these lights. The links that are listed below are from my Amazon associate program, so I get a small commission off of that every time someone uses those links to buy something. That helps go to fund the channel to be able to help some of the seniors out with their car repairs, home repairs, or whatever else happens to be going on. So again, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and hit the little bell for notifications, and look around. You might see something special floating somewhere in here. Y'all have a good evening.